Hi and welcome again to Technobabble. This is the original, longest running, except no imitations church tech show created in 2005 for church techies like you. My name is Paul Allen Clifford. On today's show, we start a new series on the SlingStudio. As you know, you've heard the hype. Now, I'm here to answer the question, is the SlingStudio worth it? To answer that question for you and Church Tech Today, link below, I got a SlingStudio in, and I'm going to be putting it through its paces, not only for live streaming, but for recording and editing in post. But before I can do all that, I need to get it and unbox it. So without further ado, here's the unboxing of the SlingStudio. This is the less exciting piece of the puzzle here. So, at least I believe it is. It's also the bigger box, counterintuitively. And yes, I was right. It is a backpack. So, for some of you, that will probably be the giveaway. But let's look at this box right here. It has a declaration talking about lithium-ion batteries, so that's another hint. So let's open this up. Okay. Drop that. And what do I have here? Bubble wrap! Yay! Ooh, return labels. So that tells me that this is a review unit. I thought as much. Something about lithium-ion batteries. Bunch of this, and here we go. This is a SlingStudio. So let's see what all is in here. I got a camera link. That's a, I think a $350 piece. Oh, and they sent me 2 of those. So that's pretty cool. This is the battery for the SlingStudio. This is the USB-C expander, which I suspect is just a regular USB-C hub. And here's the SlingStudio itself. So, where did I put my knife? Did I put that back in my pocket? No, I don't think I did. But drop those back in here, and let's actually get ripping this open. Oh, there's my knife down there. That'll help. Did I? There's my knife again. They do not want you to accidentally open this, do they? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so there is the SlingStudio itself. Not too big. We'll notice here on the the top port, that's a USB-C, that's HDMI in, HDMI out. Notice they're different sizes. That's a regular one, it's a mini one. I think I've got one of those. Then we've got a line in and a power jack. So, and then on the other side we have an SD card in. I've got an SD card adapter here. Let's make sure that's, yep. So that's just the normal size, but I believe that they all come with a high-speed one. Okay. Now if I pull that out, get started guide. Okay, so here we have a power adapter, and there is one of the smaller ones for the outlet. Oops, and I'm not sure, but I might have got the SD card that comes with it. We'll see about that. So that's all that. I'll open one of these, the camera link, because I'm sure that both camera links look the same. There's the camera link. It's got a micro HDMI, looks like, and a USB, and then a 1/4-20 on the bottom, and then for power and battery level. Let's pull this out. And we get started guide. And there's the HDMI cable, and here is the USB. That's probably for charging, and there's a 1/4-20 mount with a cold tube, and that's it for that. So that's what's in that one. Let's see here. The USB-C expander. I would bet that this will work just like a regular USB-C hub. That's something that I might try out to see if try that to see if it works just like a regular hub in my Mac, and also vice versa, see if a regular Apple hub works in the SlingStudio, because both of those are questions that are worth answering. I opened it up upside down, but you get the gist. And yeah, 2 USBs and a network connection. So I would bet just a regular one will do the trick. We'll see. So I'm gonna put that in, and the last thing, this other one is the other camera hub. So we don't need to see that since I've already opened one of those. So let's open this. There we go. This is for review purposes. So I'm a little surprised that I got a brand new one. But I guess maybe after it goes back from me, they'll just sell it as an open box. That's what I would do. But then again, I'm not a big company. I'm just me. Yep. So here's the battery pack. It's a little difficult to get out one-handed. Well, let's use gravity as our friend, shall we? Yeah, I'm still having trouble. Ah, there we go. So that, but it charges right here, which is a little inconvenient. It would have been better if they'd put the charge on the side. Yeah, so that goes there, and there's also a 1/4 there, so you could mount this on a tripod, and bammo. That's pretty easy to connect. Let's see if there's anything else in here. It doesn't feel like it, other than the quick start guide, which they put in everything, is quick start guides. That's tight. Yeah, it's just a quick start guide here. Yep. See? So that's it. So now I will get to testing this out, and we'll go from there. As you can see, there are a lot of options with the SlingStudio. Whether you need to start with only the hub and all smartphones, or plan on ordering a bunch of camera links, the SlingStudio hub, battery, and backpack to hold it, this is one flexible system. If you like this video, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell icon for more videos like this. And coming soon, my first impressions of and actually using the SlingStudio, and a tour of basic functionality.